I can't sleep tonight, wide awake and so confused.